Watch this. We finally have humans attempting to fit into the brand new third row seating on the Tesla Model Y. This is a new option that they just made available. They had talked about previously. People very curious, is it actually a usable seat? And of course, we now have our answer via this video in which one individual 6 feet tall tries to fit back there, and a shorter individual, I think 5'4" or something like that. You will see here just how tight it is. Now, of course, they also show off the cargo and stuff. So this is a 5'4" person. They have, I don't know, 6 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches of headroom. 6 foot tall person is touching the ceiling. Don't be confused. That's second row legroom that they show first. Don't get too excited. Wait till she gets in the last row, and she's 5'3". She get in that last row, and it's pretty tight. And I'm getting claustrophobic looking at it. There you go. That's the last row. Now I get it. It's a small SUV, and they're just giving you the bonus row, and they fully expect you to put kids back there, not adults. So I shouldn't be getting claustrophobic. So I shouldn't be getting bothered. They do sell a bigger vehicle if you want it, but like for an adult, that is pretty claustrophobic in the third row, based on this video.
I guess for emergencies.
Yeah, or a really short trip, you got to get a group of people somewhere. You lose basically your entire trunk, which I think you can see there. I mean, they were able to kind of fit the stroller upright and get the child back there.
Huh. It's almost like the headrest is poking out of the window.
Yeah, the headrest probably is going to pretty much touch the glass on the rear door, on the trunk, or it's a hatchback, so the rear door. But yeah, it's a kid seat, so just don't have unrealistic expectations here in the Model Y. If you need more room in the back seat or the third row, you got to get the bigger SUV. That's the bottom line.
Yeah, the kids seem happy there.
Yeah, the kids would think it was fun to be back there. But anyway, this is our first glance, and now we know what the Model Y brings as far as the third row.